Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Norton Antivirus step by step clearly. To begin using Norton Antivirus, start by downloading the software from the official Norton website. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installation file to launch the setup process. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to accept the license agreement and select your preferred installation options. The installation will take a few minutes, so be patient while it completes. After installation, Norton Antivirus will prompt you to restart your computer. Click Restart Now to finalize the installation. Once your computer restarts, open Norton Antivirus by locating the icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. You will be prompted to sign in with your Norton account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. After signing in, take a moment to explore the dashboard, which provides an overview of your system's security status. To run an initial scan, click on the Security tab, then select Common Tasks and choose Run Smart Scan. This scan will check for malware and vulnerabilities on your system. Once the scan is complete, review the results to see if any issues were found. If threats are detected, follow the prompts to quarantine or remove the identified items. Next, enable automatic updates to ensure your antivirus software stays current with the latest virus definitions. To do this, go to the Settings menu, select Administrative Settings, and toggle on Automatic Live Update. Consider adjusting other security settings such as firewall protection or web safety features, depending on your needs. Regularly check the dashboard for notifications about updates or potential threats to your system. Finally, maintain a schedule for regular scans to ensure ongoing protection for your devices. Using Norton Antivirus effectively will help safeguard your computer from threats and improve your online security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.